Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, if you know your girl Rexy, you'll know that I am a huge animal lover. So guys, for this week's Pandemic Survival Kitchen episode, I wanted to include all of our four-legged fur babies that are out there. So I wanted to share a couple of my DIY doggy treats with you guys that you guys can make at home. They are very nutritious, they're high in protein, they have some good probiotics. So I'm going to show you guys how to do my peanut butter and honey doggy treats. And I'm also going to show you guys how to do my frozen yogurt doggy treats. So here's a list of ingredients you guys are going to need. For the peanut butter and honey doggy treats, you're going to need some peanut butter. I have all natural, organic, creamy peanut butter over there. Just watch the sugar intake. As you know, sugar is not good for our babies, so just watch the sugar in that. You're going to need some whole wheat flour. You're going to need an egg. You're going to need some honey, some baking powder, and some water. For the frozen yogurt doggy treats, you're going to need a banana. You're going to need some plain yogurt. I have Greek God's plain yogurt over there. Again, just watch the sugar intake. And then you're going to need some peanut butter for that as well. And that's it, guys. That's all you need to make Rexy's DIY doggy treats. So let's go have some fun, guys. We're going to first do my peanut butter and honey doggy treats. Of course, I'll have the exact measurements and ingredients in the description box for you guys. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to combine your whole wheat flour, the baking powder, and one egg. We're going to mix that really good. Perfect. Okay, then we're going to combine the water, peanut butter, and honey. And I'm going to use my mixer for this. And I tell you what, guys, your little four-legged fur babies are going to absolutely love these treats. Mine go crazy every time I make them. I'm actually surprised little Twinkle Toes Jasmine is not in here. I don't think she smelt the peanut butter yet, so we'll see. And then what I do is I go around and I give the little treats to everybody. My grand fur babies. I'm going to bring these to some dogs in the neighborhood, bring them to the shelter. They make a lot. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my mixer and get this really good and incorporated. Alright, so cover your ears. Now, what I have over here is just a baking pan, and I put some parchment paper, and then I have some cute little bone cookie cutters over here. You guys can use whatever cookie cutters, of course, you want. Before we start this, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. These will probably take about 17-18 minutes, but like I always say, you know, keep an eye on your oven and just watch it. And then all you're going to do is just flour your board a little bit. Put your dough on the board. Like so. Oh, and here comes little Twinkle Toes right now. So I'm going to give her a little piece. She must smell the peanut butter. You waiting for your snacks? She's waiting for her snacks. Okay, so at this point we're going to just go ahead and roll the dough out. And I would say probably to about 1/4 inch thickness. It just depends on what cookie cutters you guys are using and how thick you want it, okay? And then all you're gonna do is just cut out the little doggy treats. And then after we do this, I'm gonna show you something really cute. You guys can do it or not. Just adds a little extra something to the little treats. And then all you're gonna do is remove the extra. Don't throw that away, because then you're going to roll it back up into a ball, roll it out, and continue the process. But look how cute. And all you're going to do is put them on your tray. so. Keep them about a half an inch to an inch apart. Just like that. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue rolling and cutting, put them on my tray, and then I'll bring you guys back and show you the next step. So, we'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm done with this first batch, as you guys can see. And then all you're going to do is you're going to take a fork. If you want, you don't have to do the step. And you're just going to push it right in the middle of each treat. Like that. Makes them a little cuter for the dogs. Makes them look more like a little, doggy biscuit. When it bakes, it'll come out really cute looking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pop these in the oven. Again, about 18 minutes. I'll watch them. I'll let you know exactly how long they cooked while I go ahead and finish making these. And then I'll bring you guys back and show you what they look like when they come out of the oven. So we'll be back, guys. Guys, and really quick, I wanted to show you how cute these are. I used the little baby one for the little dogs, and I got a lot of these obviously because they're smaller, but look how cute they are. Look at the little baby ones. So cute. I wanted to show you that. Okay guys, so these baked for exactly 17 minutes and they're perfectly cooked. As you can see, they're nice little brown. They got a little crispiness to them. So I'm going to go ahead and place these on my cooling rack, let them cool completely, and then finish baking all these treats. And then I'm going to go ahead and set up, and then we'll start working on the frozen yogurt treats. So we'll be back, guys. Okay guys, so I have everything set up for our frozen yogurt doggy treats. I'll have the exact measurements in the description box. You're gonna need some molds, okay? And I just have some cute little paw print molds here. And these will take about probably 3 hours in the freezer, okay? You can also add, if you'd like, some blueberries or strawberries in this as well. I have made it both ways. It just adds some antioxidants to the treats, which is great for our fur babies as well as the probiotics. So you can add that if you'd like. You're just gonna take your banana. Now you can use a food processor or a blender for this. I was trying to make this as easy as possible. Just keep that in mind, you can use a little food processor if you guys like. And you're just gonna mash up your banana. Alright, so that looks good enough, just nice and mashed. You're gonna add your yogurt. And you're gonna add your peanut butter. Perfect. I'm gonna mix this really, really well to combine everything, making it as smooth as possible. Alright guys, that looks good enough. And you know what's nice, if you don't use the processor or blender, you get a little bit of the chunks of the banana in there, which I think is nice. So, alright, and then all you're gonna do is put it in your molds. And like I said, these will take probably about 3 hours to freeze. Just fill them up. Alright, so these are done, and I'm just going to use this spatula just to even it out, make it flat. And then just kind of like bang it on your surface just to get any air bubbles out. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pop this in the freezer. I'll bring you guys back, pop one out, and show you what they look like. So we'll be back, guys. Okay guys, so it's been exactly 3 hours, and they have set really nice, as you guys can see. So I'm going to go ahead and pop one out for you guys. Look how cute, guys. Make sure it's zooming in on. Look how cute. And I actually tried this, and they're actually really, really good. Just tastes like frozen banana with peanut butter. So that's how cute they are. Look how cute. Little paw prints. So I am going to give one to the little fur baby. Here comes Twinkle Toes Jasmine now. They're so cute, guys. And like I said, they're really quick and easy to make. Your animals will love them. They're really good and nutritious for them. I have Jazzy over there waiting to get some. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys haven't already. Don't forget to check out Chef Matt over at Kitchen Instruments for his collab this week. And until then, guys, stay healthy, safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.